Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. Children, let's begin our day with a beautiful thought. That is, yes, if you can dream it, you can do it. Yes. So children, start dreaming. जो आप सपने में देख सकते हैं, अपने हार्ड वर्क से उसे पूरा भी कर सकते हैं. Children, today we will start a new lesson, lesson 10 of English grammar. In this lesson, we will learn the use of has and have. Okay, so let's begin now. Use of has and have. Yes. Children, has is used with one noun or singular noun or pronoun like child, Shreya, he, she, it. For example, in this picture, the girl is with the dog. What we will say? She has a dog. In this sentence, she is a singular noun. Yes, that is why we have used here has. She has a dog. In the next picture, yes, the boy is having a football in his hand. So what we will say? This child has a football. Yes, child is singular noun. So we have used here has. Now, in the next picture, you can see Rinky. The name of the girl is Rinky. Rinky has a pencil. Yes. Rinky is singular noun. So what we have used? We have used has with Rinky. Rinky has a pencil. You can see in the table, Rinky's table, pencil is there, no? Yes. Now comes to use of have. Children, we use have with plural nouns or pronouns like Shreya and Meena. Children, cows, I, we, you and they. All these are what? Plural nouns or pronouns. You can see in the picture. Girl is saying, I have a cute puppy. Yes, we have used have with I. Children, there is an exception here. Though I and you are singular pronoun, we use have with this too. Okay, so don't get confused. I and you के साथ हम have use करते हैं. Now, in the next picture, you can see children are smiling. So, read the sentence. Children have innocent faces. Yes. Children is what? Children is plural noun. So we have used have with children. Okay. Now we will do book exercise. Page number 42. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Number 1. An octopus dash 8 arms. An octopus. Yes, it is singular noun. So what we will use here? Yes, very good. We will use has. Number 2, a cat. Dash. A fairy tale. Cat is what? Single cat is there. No, that is singular noun. So what we will use here? Yes, has. A cat has a fairy tale. Now number 3, I dash. Many friends, we play together. Yes, children, as I told you, we use have with I. I have many friends. We play together. Now number 4, we dash some storybooks. Yes, children, we is what? Plural pronoun. So what we are using with we? Have is we. We have used have. We have some storybooks. Number 5, Mrs. Sharma dash has got a new purse. Now number 6, crows dash black feathers and harsh voice. Yes, crows have. There are many crows, no? So crow is what? Plural noun. Crows क्या हो गया? Plural noun हो गया. So we have used have. In the next page, you can see number 7. A rectangle dash 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. And number 8, children dash innocent faces. Children, the answer of number 8 I want from you all. So you all have to give the answer in the comment, okay? Question number 9. An elephant dash got a long trunk and a short tail. Yes, an elephant means single noun, singular noun, single, no? So what we will use? Has. An elephant has got a long trunk and a short tail. Now number 10. You have got a sweet voice. Please sing a song. What we have used? Yes, we have used have with you. Number 11. He dash got a trophy. Yes, he is singular pronoun. So what we will be using here? Has. We will use here has. He has got a trophy. Number 12. Flowers. Flowers. No, many flowers. Many flower is there, no? Flowers is plural. Plural form, no? So what we will use here? Have. Flowers have sweet fragrance. Okay, children. I hope you all have understand the concept and use of has and have. So for today we will keep up to this much. Thank you all. Children, subscribe the channel to get video at time if you have not subscribed. Thank you all.